Expe is getting trashed right now, traders in the after hours, closing down 14% on Tuesday after reporting mixed financials in what's been a tough earnings season, as they say. The company reported first quarter financial after the bell on Monday. Expedia lost 47 cents per share, 2.25 billion revenue. Analysts had expected the company to report a loss per share of 62 cents on 2.3 billion in revenue. The company, which also owns the Vrbo platform, reported gross bookings of 24.4 billion compared to Wall Street 25.89. So we have a revenue miss there. We're down a little over 14% with the big drop. What we will tell everybody is that we will buy a fast entry and exit off of the lows. And that we will. So, once again, sign up for that free 5-day trial. Don't stand Tommy Trader up. He's here to power you so that you can make money.